Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to add a ConvertKit form to Squarespace. So here I am in my Squarespace dashboard, and first, let's create our form. So just go ahead, go to a new tab, and then type in ConvertKit. So this is their website. So they have changed their name from ConvertKit to Kit. So just go ahead, open the website, and then from here, log into your account. But if you don't have one yet, you need to create one. So I don't have an account, so I'll just create an account right here. And then let's go back when I already have my account. So now that I have created my account, so I'll just answer the questions right here. Until we go to the dashboard. So here is the dashboard of Kit. So now the next thing that we need to do is that we need to create a form. So let's just go here, create a landing page or form. So let's click create and then choose a form since we are going to be adding a form to Squarespace. And then from here, just choose the specific form that you want to use. So I'll use this one, the inline. And then you can choose your preferred template. So for example, I want to use the template right here called Pine. So just click choose. And then from here, you can now customize your Kit form that you want to add to Squarespace. So for example, you can edit the style. You can change the template if you want. You can change the background and then as well as the form background. So I'll keep it at white. You can also change the border radius, which is this corners right here. You can also add a background image and then you can also change the opacity. So I'll keep it at 10%. And then if you want to add some fields right here, so for example, here is the email address. You can also add a custom field. And then let's say this is the first name of the user. And then let's make this a required field. And then you can change if you want the different font color and then border color. Then as well as the border radius, but I'll keep the default settings right here. And then you can also change the design of the subscribe button. You can change the background color if you want. You can change the font color, the border radius, and then the font weight. And then you can also change the text right here. If you want to add some additional text. And then you have here the trademark or the watermark of Kit. So you can also turn this off. And then for the text right here, you can also change it if you want, as well as the font color and font size. So for example, I just change it like this. Then you can also change the text right here, or you can also insert some other features right here, like additional heading, a numbered list, a block quote, an image, a button, a script, a divider, and so on and so forth. So just go ahead and design your Kit form to however you want. And then you can also add an image right here. So for example, I'll choose an image. So let's click it and then we can choose an image to upload. So once you click on it, you will go to your file explorer and choose a specific image. So for example, I just want to choose the image right here, or maybe this one. then it will be added to the ConvertKit form. And then once you're finished, you can just click Save and Publish. And then we are going to click Embed. Then from here, we need to copy the HTML code. Then we will now embed this ConvertKit form to Squarespace. So let's go back to our Squarespace website. Click website right here and then edit. And then navigate through your Squarespace website where you want to add the ConvertKit form. So for example, I want to add it right here. So I'll just add a blank section. So let's just wait for Squarespace to finish loading. Now that I have my blank section, we can add a code block right here or an embed block. So they will just work in a similar way. So for example, I'll add an embed block. So let's go to code snippet, embed data, and then we need to paste the code right here. So as you can see, we now have our ConvertKit form right here on our Squarespace website. And then if I save this and then exit, we can see our ConvertKit form right here on the Squarespace website. And then if you want to use the code block, it works in a similar way as well. So I'll just adjust the size of this. And then let's insert a code block. Then we have the code block right here. Then we can just go ahead and paste the code right here. And then as you can see, we still have the similar ConvertKit form right here on Squarespace. We can click save and then exit. And then here is the ConvertKit form. And then that is it. That is how we can add a ConvertKit form to Squarespace. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.